Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, y'all, to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell just to be notified whenever I post new videos. And let's jump right into this tutorial. I'm starting off with some eyeshadow base by P. Louise in the shade Rumor 2. And I placed it all over my eyelid. The palettes that I'm using is this pastel palette by Pimpy. And I'm using that pink. And then I'm going into my palette painting for the back row. And I'm going to start with that brown. Using a small detail brush, I'm going to start just placing that dark brown directly on the outer corner of my eyelid to create this slanted wing. Going in with a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to start blending out those shadows to really remove those harsh lines and so I can get a nice radiant transition into my lid. Taking that small detail brush and using that brown to create this shape right above my lid, and this will be like the means of my cut crease. So this is where my cut crease will start at. Usually I start very high with my cut creases because I have a hooded eye. I really want you to see the actual crease. But I'm going to place this, and using a detail brush, it really helps you place that shadow where you want it. So this is why I'm using this brush, because it looks like I'm pretty much drawing the wing out, but I'm not. I'm just placing the shadow where I want it, and it's going there because the brush is so small and so precise. Now that I got the shape that I want, I'm going to start using a very small fluffy blending brush, and this is by Morphe. This brush, I think it's a 507 brush or 506. This brush is so good when it comes to blending small areas and you don't want to really spread that shadow around. So this is what I'm doing, just placing that brick shade directly on top of that brown and blending it out. This is actually a bigger, fluffier brush. I didn't put any product on it. I'm just right now blending out that brick shade and that brown. So I don't want any harsh lines in between these shadows. So I'm going in with this very fluffy blending brush with a little pressure, and I'm just blending out those harsh lines. Taking that brown and a really small smudge brush, I'm going right back into that crease because I want that to be as deep as possible. Now I'm going into it with a black. So I think that the darker your crease color is the more sharper your actual cut gonna look. So I'm going to go in with a real black color and start placing this directly where I'm going to be cutting that crease at so it can be nice and sharp. After placing it, you just want to blend it out to make sure it's not too harsh. Now I'm going to start cutting the crease. So I'm using a concealer brush, and I'm using the Acid Rain base in the shade Blank Canvas by P. Louise. And I'm pretty much just tapping that shape that I want, the shape that I'm thinking fit this look. I'm going to tap it in. When it comes to cut creases, and if you are like a beginner at cutting your crease, you do want to just tap, don't swipe. So you're going to see me swiping in some of them, but if you are new to cutting creases, you want to try to tap it because I think that's the easiest method to get a sharp crease. After cutting my crease, I'm going to start going into that pastel palette, and I'm going to use that purplish pink color that's in there, which is super cute and it matches my dress to the T. I'm going to start placing this all over my eyelid. Now I'm going back in with that detail brush to bring back out that wing that we smoked out earlier. And I'm going to start just taking that brown and placing it directly on the outer corner of my eye and start blending it out with a soft blending brush to get that nice radiant look. Taking a precise pencil brush and I'm going in with a black just so I can deepen up that wing. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my eyeliner pencil. This is by LA Color. It's one of my favorite eyeliner pencils. They're so pigmented. And I'm going right above my crease just to outline that cut crease to make it seem a little bit deeper. You can almost instantly like see the difference from doing that. So now I'm going to go in with that small detail brush and smudge out that eyeliner and also place a very dark shadow on that line as well. And it really be like the small details for me. Like when you do like small little details in your makeup look, it makes the look way more professional, way more perfect. Like that cut crease is killing now with that damn detail I just added. It gives it life. So yeah, it definitely be the small details for me. Now I'm gonna go in with some NYX adhesive glitter glue, and I'm gonna just start placing that all over my lid, and then I'm gonna go in with this glitter. I'm gonna list the glitter in the description box. I'm not sure the shade. I believe this is Birthday Cake by J. Lou Cosmetics, but if it's not, I'm gonna put it down in the description box. But I'm gonna just place a little bit of glitter on my lid. You don't need a lot because I am adding rhinestones and pearls to this look. I didn't want to over accessorize my eyes, so I'm fast forwarding through this part because y'all, it took a while. But yeah, I'm just going in with I think 1 pearl to 2 rhinestones, and I'm gonna apply it right on the beginner of my cut crease and right at the tail end of it. Taking a Milani liner, I'm just gonna tight line a small little eyeliner right above my lashes, and then I'm gonna put it so that it can slant into the shadow and use a black to really smudge that out to make it seamless. The eyes are done. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and I'm gonna start placing this all over my face. I used to use this primer every day and I stopped using it, y'all, but I forget how much it grips your foundation. I absolutely love this primer. Now I'm gonna go in with some Maybelline's 24 Hours Stay Foundation. I think this in the shade Toffee Caramel, and I'm gonna start placing this all over my face. Now I'm gonna just start blending this foundation in using a small Real Technique brush. Now I'm gonna go in with some of my Cryolens concealer, and I'm gonna place this on my T-zone area. I really wanted that bright under eye, and this is not the brightest I wanted it, so I didn't place it directly underneath my eyes. I just placed it in my T-zone area. Then I went in with a brighter concealer in that same brand and placed that directly underneath my eyes. This concealer is so creamy and soft that it blends very, very well. And it is full coverage, y'all. This is by Crease. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that name right, but I got a lot of their products. And I absolutely love it. Like, I am in love with it. They setting powder, they setting spray, as well as they concealer and foundation. I'm in love with it. So, yeah. Now, I'm going to go in with my mixed race palette. And I'm going to just start contouring my nose. After blending everything together, I'm going in with my Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Banana Bread, and I'm going to start placing this everywhere, like all over my face. Now it's time to warm the face back up, so I'm going in with my Tropical Vacay palette by Pimpy, and I'm going to start using this slanted fluffy brush to pretty much warm up my face. This is one of my favorite brushes to snatch that nose with, y'all, so I'm going to go in with my setting powder and use this E30 brush by Morphe, and I'm going to go right in the side of my nose and just snatch that thing up, okay? Now to make the eyes stand out a little bit more, I'm going to take a black liner and place it right in my waterline. Taking a small brush, I'm going to start smudging that liner out with a black shadow. And jumping back into my palette, I'm going to start placing this light pink directly underneath of that black, and then I'm going to go in with a darker pink to really intensify that. Alright babes, we're almost at the end. I'm going in with my blush palette and I'm taking that light pink and I'm going to place that directly on my cheekbones. This is going to really bring out my eyes more and bring warmth back into my face. Taking this brown lip liner pencil. Well, this is really an eyeliner, but I'm using it as a lip liner. It's so smooth, y'all. This is also by Crease. I'm going to take this and I'm going to glide it around my lips, creating this nice outline shape. Then I'm going to start smudging that together. Taking a pink lippy, this is a soft matte by Huda Beauty. I'm going to start placing this directly in the middle of my lips to create that ombre effect. Then I'm going to take a smudge brush to slowly smudge that out. Going in with this highlighter by Beauty Bakery, I'm going to start placing that directly on my cheekbones. Now I'm taking the foundation brush to just slowly pat that powder into my face. Now that my lips have dried, I'm going to start placing that glitter lip kit by Stay Golden Cosmetics all over my lips. This is in the shade Baby. First I applied the gloss bond and then I just start applying the glitter directly to my lips, and y'all can see the freaking difference. Like, look at that. Alright babes, if you have stayed with me throughout this video, you freaking rock. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell just to be notified whenever I post more tutorials, because more is coming soon. Thank you so much for joining me on this video and tuning into my channel. And don't forget to hit the like button if you do like this video. Until the next time, y'all. See ya.